Good evening, everyone. Very good evening. Am I audible to you all, everyone? Am I audible? Let me know if I'm audible to you all. Okay, guys. Fine. Okay. Yes. In the last class, we have studied about strings. Okay. So we have studied about strings and the inbuilt methods. Okay, we have studied about everything. Okay, in today's class, let us start with the part 3. Okay, we shall do the program. Okay, so I will send you the, okay, just a minute. So whatever you guys have written, I'm gonna send you that. Okay, once again, I'm gonna log in. I just forgot to send you guys your this one response. Okay, just a minute. Your batch code is E23, right? Yeah. Once again. Okay, once again, guys. So it was a part 2. Yes, got it. Just a minute, I'll send you. So there are 15 responses. Okay. I'm gonna send all of your scores. Once again. Okay, once again, what's happening here? Yes. Okay, I'm releasing your scores and make sure you have given your proper email IDs. So, yes. It has been sent to your mails. Okay. Okay, it has been sent to your mails. Check your mails and respond to me if you have received um, the response of your whatever your test was there. Okay, respond quickly. Check your mail and respond to me back. Part 1 pending. Part 1 I have sent you for all of them. No, highest score I will not send here because people you should not know other score. It's confidential. So yeah. So I will tell you how much is the highest score. So highest score is 47. Okay, the person who got 47, you know that you have scored highest. Congratulations. So you have scored 47. That is the highest. And people who have responded to the test responses whom I got is Sushant, Gautam, Devi, Preeti, Dugesh, Samiksha, Deepika, Akshita, Atulya, Shivaranjani, Pooja, Lipsa, Sanket, Saurav, and Gayatri. These 15 members responses I have sent you. Lowest I will not tell. You should not speak about negative things here, okay? Not received. Why? Sanket, send your mail ID. Last time also same thing happened. Send your mail ID. Let me check if you have given proper mail ID or not. Send your mail ID, be quick. Yes, Preeti, I will revise the program. We will do, no problem. Okay, wait a minute. Sanket. Okay. Let me see if you have given a proper mail ID or not. Okay, one second. One second, one second, one second. Let me copy your mail ID. Okay, so I'm sending your mail ID. Part one you said, Part one also I have sent you. Maybe I don't know what was the problem there, but I have sent you part one. I remember. For everybody I have sent. Maybe for you some issue happened. Maybe it's okay. 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 After the class, ping me tomorrow or after the class. I will send you. Okay, guys. All things I checked, spam and all folder. Okay. 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 I'll check it later. Don't worry about that. Okay. 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 Fine. Okay. So we shall get back to your concept. Okay. So you guys have asked the programming question. Hope you sent me, ma'am, positively. Yeah, of course, man. What I will do with your marks? I'll send you. Don't worry about that. Okay, guys. We'll resume back. Okay, and we shall get into the design which I've sent you. Okay. So yes, how many of you have doubt in the design still? How many of you still have doubt in the design? Like you're not able to guess the answer correctly or you're not able to get the output. How many of you? Okay, 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 okay. No problem. We shall do it. Okay, guys. So the design was okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. No problem. We shall do it. No problem. Okay. So what we shall do today is very simple. We shall go for the design. Okay, we shall have a white background only. White or okay, this is nice. Okay, so what we shall do is we shall first create the okay, which bag and what design I have given you. Okay. Okay, so okay, so this I have given you. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, guys, we shall do it. No problem. We shall do it. So the design was okay. So ball was there, bag was there, and basketball and tennis ball is inheriting a ball. Basketball and tennis ball is inheriting a ball. Okay, fine. Next. Okay, this ball and bag has a relationship. Okay, they have a has a relationship. So bag and a ball has a relationship. Okay, fine. So okay, guys. So we shall get into the design. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we shall take the design from here only. We will see. So first, you have to create a okay ball. Okay. Okay. So first, we shall create your child classes. Okay. Okay. First, parent classes we shall create. Ball will create first. Then we shall create a basketball and a tennis ball. Okay. Basketball and a tennis ball we will create. Okay. So yes, first we have to create ball only. Without a parent class, obviously, child class also can't be. So first we'll create a class ball. Yes, segregation was there. Yes, yes, yes. Correct. Okay, we shall get into the Eclipse. Okay. So we shall go to your which one? E23, yeah. In which PDF? Okay, in oops. Okay, in oops, let us do. Okay, so let us create one class called as ball. Okay, so in the class ball, we shall we shall go for the radius. Okay, so as you can see in the design, the radius is a private attribute. Radius is a private attribute, both readable and modifiable. Okay, so private int radius. Okay, next. So after this, we shall create one constructor for this. So ball of int radius, and then we shall initialize this dot radius is equal to radius. Next, since there is both getter and setter for the radius, we shall go create a getter and setter for radius. Okay, so public int get radius method, where we'll return the radius. Okay, next getter method. Excuse me. So public void set ball method. Okay, in the set ball method, we shall take the radius, because we have to set the radius. That is why. Okay, now this dot radius is equal to user given radius. Okay, next. After this, okay, after this, okay, so next what we shall do is very simple. We have created a class ball. Next, very simple code. Okay, so we shall create a child classes, that is basketball as well as a tennis ball. Okay, we shall create both basketball and tennis ball. As you can see, it is a private attribute. It is a private attribute. This basketball and tennis ball both are private. Okay, they have been initialized, but both are private. Okay, so we shall create that here itself. Class basketball extends ball. Class basketball extends ball. So since the parent class has a constructor, child also we have to create one constructor for the basketball. Okay, so yes, and we have to pass the radius through the child class having a super call statement. Okay, next, here we shall have one attribute, that is a, for the basketball we have one attribute called as game. Okay, game equals to basketball. So since it is private, we'll take it as a private string game is equal to basketball. Okay, basketball. Next, after this, now here radius is fine. Now since it is only readable, if you can see in this design, it is only readable. Okay, it is only readable, both are only readable. So yeah, so what we shall do is we'll just create one getter method. Okay, so public int. Okay, so it's for the game, so string get game method. Okay, wherein we will return the game. Okay, now same for the tennis ball also. Okay guys, one second guys, just a minute. Excuse me, guys. There was some background noise. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, what is this? Repeat basketball, mama. See, we have a basketball as a child for the ball. Ball is a parent, basketball is a child. So after creating parent class, we have gone for a child class. Child class, in that we have one private attribute called as game, which has been initialized with a basketball, and it's only readable. Only readable. That is what we have created. We have a class basketball, which is inheriting a ball. Okay, and we have one private attribute called as game. In the game, it has been initialized with the basketball. Since it is a private attribute and it's only readable, we have just created a getter method. Since your parent class has a constructor here, since parent class has a constructor, your child class also has a constructor, and using supercall statement, it is passing the data to the parent class constructor and calling that constructor to initialize the parent class object. Okay, got it? Once again. Yes, Preeti, got it? Okay, yeah. So next, so after this, okay, basketball is done. Now let us go for tennis ball. Same thing, okay? Same thing. Extra is the name, okay? Instead of basketball, we shall go for tennis. Tennis ball. Here also same. Tennis ball. And here the data you have to change into tennis ball. Okay. Now that's it. That's it. Now what we shall do is we shall create one class called as bag. We shall create one class called as bag. As you can see in the design here, the ball class has a relationship with the bag. Even for your reference, I have put ball inside this bag. Ball be indicating it is having a has a relationship, but still few of you have not sent. What is this? Okay, so ball is having a has a relationship with a bag. So ball I have mentioned with the reference inside the bag. Okay, now so bag has a relationship with the ball. Now what we can do? We shall go for a aggregation. Okay. So since it is aggregation, we shall go for late instantiation also. Okay. So what is the first method we shall find here? The first method is add ball method. Okay. Add ball. Once again, one second, guys. Just a minute. Yes, your counselor is here. Okay, we shall resume back after requirement announcement. Yes, Varshita, you can carry on.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, guys. This is Vashita from announcement team. Am I audible to everyone? Guys, am I audible? Okay. So, guys, I've shared the feedback link in your broadcast. Everyone received feedback link.
Thanks, Uma. Good evening, guys. This is Pushpa from announcement team. Guys, do you know my voice is audible to everyone?
So guys, it's hardly take a 2 to 3 minutes of time. So please fill the feedback form. So once if it is done, so please let me know. We'll move to the new batch updates. Okay, so it is a mandatory. So everyone has to fill the form, guys. Once if it is done, so please let me know. We'll move to the new batches update.
Everyone has to fill this form, guys. So please start filling the form.
So once if it is done, so please let me know, guys.
We'll be moving to the requirements and new batch updates. Okay. Please start.
Guys, be quick. Fill the form soon. Be quick. Varshita, is it done? 25 has been done, or how much has been done till now?
Still, they are filling the form. I got only 2 responses, ma'am, out of 26 students.
Okay, okay, Varshita. Okay, fine. Guys, see, we are in the middle of the design, so fill it fastly. Okay, we shall resume back. Be quick. Fill the form soon. It will not take more than 2 minutes. So be quick and get back. Be quick. You have shared a message on Qtaka. Okay, let me see.
No, ma'am. Still they are filling the form. I got 8 responses, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. We'll start by 7:40. Okay, people who are still filling, be quick. Don't waste the time. 7:37, just 3 minutes more. Be quick.
So guys, make sure that by the end of a session, so please fill the feedback form. So we will be waiting for your feedback responses. So guys, I've shared you the new batches link in your broadcast. So it is a Selenium SQL Aptitude, Advanced Java and React.js. Selenium, it is only for the testing students. Those have completed core Java. So at least if you have completed 80 to 90% of course, so you can attend the Selenium class and SQL and Aptitude. So parallelly, everyone can attend. There's a no pre-requesting for that. So please save the links. And advanced Java, it is only for the development students. Those have completed core Java. If you have completed core Java, 80 to 90% of course, so you can attend advanced Java for development students. And React JS, it is also for development students. Those have completed web technology. So the prerequisiting is to attend the React JS, you have to complete web technology. So any doubts regarding this new batches? So make sure that everyone has to fill the form, guys. It is a mandatory. Okay. So these are the update for the today's class, and thank you for your feedback responses. So thank you, ma'am. For testing students, Selenium, and you can attain SQL aptitude also, Sanjay. Okay. So thank you, guys. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, guys. We'll resume back. Yes, Preeti, I have Preeti, or who is it? Yeah, I've seen it. Okay. So yeah, it's a good code only. Yeah, you have written it correctly, but If you're able to execute that, okay, it will be good. Little it was blur. Okay, so yeah, we'll do it now. Okay, it's almost similar to what we'll be doing here. Okay, so no worries, you can concentrate here. Okay, so class bag, okay, and a class ball has a relationship. They have a has a relationship. Now, so here ball is having a has a relationship with the bag. So ball is dependent on bag. So ball will mention inside bag. After that, we will go for add bag method. We'll go for add ball method. In the add ball method here, we will go for adding one ball object. We'll go for adding one ball object. So how it is depicted is, listen everyone. So if you want to add a ball, okay, if you want to add a ball, okay, first what we shall do is, okay, so, yes, so we shall create the method public void add ball method. So in the add ball method, okay, we shall take the ball object. We shall take the ball B. Okay, we are doing later lazy instantiation. We are going for later lazy instantiation. Now, if there is a ball object, we don't have to create one ball object. If there is no ball object, we have to create one. We have to add one ball to the bag. See, guys, there is no ball in the bag. There is no ball in the bag. Then you have to add either tennis ball or basketball. Any one ball you can add into bag. But if you already have a ball inside the bag, you don't have to add anything. You can tell ball is already present. Okay. So that is the thing we'll be doing now. So public void add ball of ball method. Now here first we have to check if p equal to null or not. Okay, you can just take this dot b is equal to null or not. Which means we are checking if there is no ball object. If there is no ball object, see, ball, we have two balls. What are those? Tennis ball as well as basketball as well as tennis ball. So two child class balls are there. So now what we shall do is, we shall give a choice for the user. Okay, we shall take one choice for the user, that is in choice. Okay, so that choice we shall take here now. That choice, see, as a first choice we shall give a basketball. As a second choice we shall give a tennis ball. Okay, as a first choice we shall give a basketball. As a second choice we shall give a tennis ball. Okay, now here, so if you are going for the first choice, so choice equals to 1. Not here is the not options. Here we don't give options. Here where we'll give options is in the driver class. Okay, in the driver class, we shall give the options. Okay, so if choice is equal to 1, okay, if choice is equal to 1, that means first choice, we shall create an instance for the basketball. B is equal to new basketball of radius. Basketball of radius. Okay, so here we don't have radius data, but we shall take here int radius. Okay, now if choice is equal to 1, okay, that is we are creating an instance for basketball. If, or we shall go for else if choice is equal to 2. Second option what we have given is a tennis, that will be shown in the driver class. Okay, so second option B is equal to new tennis ball of radius. Okay, next, see, in case if user is not giving 1 or user is not giving 2, other than that user is trying to choose anything, something is trying to choose, some of the data user is giving, we shall tell invalid choice. Here only we shall tell invalid choice. Okay, next, here, So all this is happening if there is no ball object. If there is no ball object, that means if this dot b is equal to null. If this dot b is equal to null, okay, we are giving the options for the user. When there is no ball object, when there is no ball object, we are giving options for the user. But when there is an options, okay, there is a there is a ball, okay, there is a ball in the bag, so we have to tell ball is already present. We have to tell ball is already present. Okay, so here in the add ball method we are adding ball. Okay, we are adding ball object. Now here we have given two choices. Okay, we have given two choices, that is first one is basketball, second is a tennis ball. In case user is not giving one or two, in case user is giving something else, so we shall tell it's a invalid choice. All this is happening when there is no basketball object. When there is no basketball object. But when there is a basketball object, control comes to else. When there is a basketball object, control comes to else, and here we shall execute the else. So you will get, when there is a ball object, you will get the output ball is already present inside the bag. Ball is already present. Ball is already present inside the bag. Okay. So this is it about your first method, that is a add ball method. Okay. Add ball method. So the second method we will see. The second method is a remove ball. Okay. You have to remove the ball. So remove ball method, very simple. See, like this we have done lots and lots of code. I think you guys remember, right? So to add an object, remove an object, check if the object is there or not, right? We have done so many programs, so many designs we have done. Okay, so it should be very easy for you. So next, the second method, that is a remove ball object. A remove ball method. Public void remove ball method. So here we shall check if there is a ball object or not. So this dot b is equal to null. We're checking if ball object is there or not. If there is no ball object, we shall remove that ball object. So guys, are you understanding the difference between b equal to null and b equal to null? Yes. Okay, one second. It's okay, it's okay. Are you guys getting? Are you guys getting the difference between b equal to one second? Okay. What happened to this? Okay, one second, guys. One second. Okay, one second. Some issues there. Okay, let us open the Eclipse once again. Okay, once again, let it open. Program will be there. Okay, no worries about that. Okay, so it was not responding actually. Okay, so yes, we have created a logic for this, a remove ball. See, this dot b equal to null means, that means this dot b is null and it's equal to null. This dot b can be anything, it can be null or it can be an address of the object. Okay, and this dot b equals to null. This dot b equals to null means you are nullifying an object. You are nullifying an object means you are removing an object. After removing the ball object, you have to tell that the ball is removed. Ball is removed when when there is when there is I mean, yeah, when there is a ball, okay, I mean, when if it is not equal to null, you will remove the ball. So obviously when there is a ball in a bag, we are removing it. But when there is no bag, no ball in the no ball in the bag, we shall tell no ball is present to remove. Shall tell no ball is present to no ball is present to remove. Okay, so in the remove ball method, okay, we are checking if this dot b is not equal to null. Equal to if you take means obviously you'll get no ball is present. So we have to take this dot b not equal to null, which means that there is a ball object. Not equal to null means there is a ball object with the address. When there is a ball object, we are nullifying the ball object. We are nullifying means we are removing that. When there is a ball, we are removing it from the bag. Then we will tell ball is removed from the bag. In case there is no ball, in case there is no ball inside a bag, in case if there is no ball inside a bag, then we shall tell no ball is present to remove. No ball is present to remove. Okay, this is about your remove method from the class bag. Okay, so after this we shall go for the next one, next method. So is bag empty. Is bag empty method, just by method name only we will come to know that we are checking if the bag is empty or not. We have to check if the bag is empty or not. Okay, so we shall do it. Public void is bag empty. We're checking if bag is empty or not. Okay, if this dot p, okay, so we are checking is bag empty or not. Okay, see if there is no ball, okay, if there is no ball, we shall tell bag is empty. If there is no ball means when null is equal to null, when there is no ball object, obviously it will become null. So null equal to null means there is nothing. So when there is nothing, we shall tell no ball is present. Shall tell no ball is present. Else, if this condition is wrong, if this condition is wrong, so we shall tell that the ball, since there is a ball, we shall tell bag is not empty. See here there is no ball object. We are checking if bag is empty or not. We are checking for first if there is a ball. Okay, I mean if there is no ball. If this dot b is equal to null means there should be no ball. When there is no ball, we will tell no ball is present. But when there is a ball, we shall tell bag is not empty. Okay, we can tell no ball is present, and since we are going into the method name that is bag empty, we shall tell bag is empty. When we tell there is no ball inside bag or bag is empty, both are same. So we shall tell bag is empty. Okay, next after this will come to else. Here when there is a ball object, control comes to else. So then we will tell bag is not empty. Bag is not empty. Okay, so this is about is bag empty method. Next we'll go for show game method. So next method is a show game. I think, yeah, show the game. See guys, whatever the ball might be present, okay, whatever the ball might be present here, okay, so that ball, with that ball, which game you can play. Okay, it might be a basketball, you can play basketball in that. and it can be a tennis ball. You can play tennis with that. Okay, so this is how we shall differentiate here. Okay, so what we shall do is, okay, so here let us go for the last method here. Public void show game method. See, whatever the ball we have, in that we have to show the game. What game we can play with the ball. Which ball we have chosen, that game we can play. Which ball we have chosen as a user, that game only we can play. First, we have to check if we have to check first that there is a ball object. Okay, we have to first check that there is a ball object. There is a ball object. Okay, so after this here, now we have to check if B is instance of basketball or B is an instance of tennis ball. Guys, you remember we have done one program called as SIM and Airtel and Idea. For the inheritance we have done SIM class, SIM as a parent, Airtel and Idea as a child. You guys remember? Everyone? You guys remember or not? You remember? Okay, there we have used one operator. The operator name is instance of operator. We have used a instance of operator. So what for we have used instance of operator? To check if there is a relationship between a child class and a parent class. To check if there is a relationship between a child class and a parent class. So here what we are doing, the same thing. Okay, the same thing even we are doing here. So here we have to go for a instance of operator. If you have seen the design, no, this part of design resembles your SIM and Airtel and Idea. So this level of inheritance you could have taken an instance of, see, whatever the ball is chosen, okay, that game only we can play. Whatever the ball is chosen, okay, only that game we can play. So we have to check if there is a ball. Okay, we have to check if there is a ball. There should be a ball. In that case, we will go with instance of, that is B instance of basketball. Okay, if B is an instance of basketball object. Okay, so if B is an instance of basketball object, okay, we shall downcast the ball to basketball. Okay, and next we shall call the get to the game method. Okay, so we shall downcast basketball ball B is equal to basketball of the variable B. See guys, we have a ball object. Now if there is a ball, and here if that ball is of type basketball, if whatever the ball chosen, no, if it is of type the basketball, then we have to downcast. Why we have to downcast? Because here we have upcasted. Listen here we have upcasted. Since we have upcasted here, okay, whomever we have chosen, excuse me, so then we have to downcast here. Okay, if the B is an instance of basketball, if B is an instance of basketball, we will downcast basketball to the type of ball. Okay, we'll downcast the ball to the type of basketball. Okay, so then after that we will show what type of game we can play using this. So we'll call get game method bb dot get game method. Okay, so this is about the instance of, in the else part If control is going to else part, it means it is downcasting to tennis ball. Tennis ball EB is equal to tennis ball of tennis ball of variable B. Okay, so then we have to show the what game we can play using the tennis ball. TB dot get game method. Okay, TB dot get the game method. Now here, if and else fine. Next. In case here, if there is no ball present, if there is a ball present, then only we are checking what type of ball it is. If there is a ball present, then only we are checking what type of ball it is. But if there is no ball, we will tell no ball is present inside a bag. No ball is present inside the bag. No ball is present inside the bag to show the game. To show the game. Okay. What's happening here? We are checking if there is a ball object. If there is a ball object, we will check with what type of ball it is, whether it's a basketball or whether it's a tennis ball. After checking that, in case if there is no ball, if you already removed it, if there is no ball, we'll get excuse me, we'll get no ball is present inside the bag to show the game. Okay, so this is about a show game method. So I hope you guys have understood methods. You guys are clear with the methods, everyone? You understood those methods? How to create those methods? Everybody got it? Okay, this is not a big program actually. This is very silly program. This is. And if I am taking, I do have little issues, health issues right now. If I'm taking little break, so don't mind. So yeah, if I delay speaking, so yeah, just 1 2 3 seconds delay it might get. So don't worry about that. Okay, just concentrate on the code. Okay, so we have seen a class back. Okay, we have seen a class back. Then now we shall see a back driver class. You are seeing here. Okay, ma'am, everything is done. We have created a basketball, tennis ball, ball, bag, everything is created. Done. But there is a user interface which you have to see. Main thing is this only. This is the main thing. User interface is must. So user interface happens in a driver class. Okay, user interface, all the communication happens in a driver class. So we shall create one driver, that is back driver. Back driver. See, we have to take an input from user. So what we shall do is we shall import the scanner class. Import java dot util dot scanner. Java dot util dot scanner class. Java dot util dot scanner class. Okay. Next. Now we have to create an object for the scanner. Scanner AC is equal to new scanner of system dot in. Now we shall create an object for the class bag, because without a class bag we can't store a ball inside a bag. That is why we have to create a bag. So bag okay. So now what we have to do is see these options. Whatever the options we have shown, display the menu. First we have to create an object of 6 steps also I have given. Okay. So here create object of the bag. Okay. Step 2, display menu. Okay. In the display menu, in the display menu, we have to go for add the ball. In adding the ball, I have given two options, that is basketball and a tennis ball. Okay, so add ball, remove ball, check bag is empty or not, and show the game that can be played and read the choice. Okay, so we shall to read the options again and again. Okay, to read the options again and again, we shall go for a loop. Okay, we shall go for a while loop. So for making the while loop by default true, we shall go for one boolean variable. Boolean exit variable is equal to true. Boolean exit variable is equal to true. Now we shall take one while loop. We have to pass exit variable there. Now here we can give all the options here. We shall ask user to enter your choice. Enter your choice. Okay, first option is add the ball or add ball. Add ball. Second one shall go for remove ball. Third one shall go for check if check if bag is empty or not. Okay, next fourth option, show the game which can be played or that can be played. Played. Okay, lastly exit. Fifth option, okay, exit option. Okay, so lastly exit option. So these many options are being given. Okay, so these many options are given. Now what we have to do is we have to take a choice input from user. Okay, we have to take one input from user. Okay, now we shall take one choice variable int choice is equal to c dot next int. Now we shall go for a switch. Always used this decision statement, that is switch of choice. Switch of choice. Now in the case one itself means add ball method. I mean add ball option. While adding a ball, if you have observed here in the add ball, we have given a choice. Choice one is basketball, choice two is tennis ball. So that choice we have to give here again. Okay. So we shall give the options here. So first option will be basketball. Second one will be tennis ball. Okay. So two options are given. First one is a basketball, second one is a tennis ball. Next. So int here also will take a choice. Ch is equal to ac dot next int. Okay. Now after this, we'll have one nested switch for this also. We'll have one switch for this also. Okay. Switch off. Now switch off ch. Now we shall ask the user, okay, to create an instance of the object by giving the radius of the ball. Okay. And yes, choice and the radius of the ball. Now we shall take. Now what we have to do is we have to call that method. Variable b from the class bag, from the class bag, variable b dot add the ball method. B dot add ball method. So here we shall create an instance for the bag. I mean for the ball. Okay. So here we shall create an instance for the ball. Okay. So here okay, so yes. Okay, add ball method. Shall create a new instance, new. Okay, one second. Okay, add ball and okay here. Okay. Okay, so in here, inside the switch, we have case one. Case one is for the basketball. You have to go for creating a instance for basketball. Okay, so choice we shall take outside. Okay, it is here only. Yes, so switch of ch. So choice one is a basketball. Choice two is a um tennis ball. So add ball. So you shall go for basketball. Basketball of in the constructor part. Basketball we have gone for only the radius. Okay, so only the radius. So here we shall also take the radius. Okay, we will ask user to enter the radius of the ball. uh, okay, so we have to create one case once again. We have not created a case. Okay, so in the case one here, we shall ask user enter the radius of ball. Now int radius is equal to sc dot next int method then. So b dot add ball of ball method. So here choice is given. Okay. So since we have to choose ball, okay. So we will go for the option number 1. Okay, we shall create an instance here. Add ball. Okay, create an instance ball object. Okay, so here is the issue. Okay, we shall go for the class back here. Shall remove this. Ball B is there to create an instance. Okay, one second. Okay, there only we can give a choice. Okay, so I think we don't need this. Okay, let us remove this. Shall go for the ball object. Okay. So in ch is equal to sc dot nextInt. Okay, whatever. Then we shall choice has been given. So we shall go for okay. So b dot add ball. Create a new instance for ball. New ball of radius. We shall just take a radius. Here we shall ask the user to give the radius of the ball. Enter the radius of the ball. Okay, so we shall take it int radius is equal to sc dot next int. Okay, so choice we shall place as okay, here choice we shall place 1 means okay, once again here we had a choice and here we had a radius. Mm, okay, 1 second. Okay, bag instance is there. Ball instance we have not created. Okay, ball B. So here we shall go for choice and the radius. Okay, radius we shall take choice CH. Okay, for add ball, here we have created an object. Fine. Okay, so first one is done. Case one. Yes. Case one is done. Object has been created. Then we shall go for excuse me. Okay, so yes, add ball of CH comma radius. Okay, case one, add ball, basketball, CH, enter the radius of ball, entered, choice and the radius. Fine. So we shall go for case two. Case two. So in case two, we shall go for remove the ball. So removing the ball. So for removing the ball, you just need to call that method block. Okay, we just need to call it. So we shall call it as b dot remove ball method. That's it. Then case three, we have to check if bag is empty or not, right? Yeah, bag is empty or not, and show the game. Fine. So b dot is back empty method. Then go for break. Case four, we shall go for showing the game which can be played. B dot show game method. So after that, we'll go for case 5, that is exit. So exit variable is equal to false. Okay. So we shall give a break here also and we'll go for default. In default, we shall go for a invalid choice. Okay, we shall go for invalid choice. Okay, now excuse me. So we shall run the code. Yes, we shall run the code now. Okay, so we have all the options. So before adding a ball, okay, before adding a ball, you have to go for removing a ball. Before adding a ball, we have to go for removing a ball. Okay, so we'll go for removing a ball and we'll see option number 2. So we have gone for removing a ball, but we're getting no ball is present to remove. Fine. Next, check ball is empty or not. I mean, check bag is empty or not. Obviously, bag is empty because we have not added any ball. Any ball we have not added. Okay. Next, show the game that can be played. See, no ball is present in the bag. No ball is present inside the bag to show the game. So, yeah, correct. So if you want to exit, you can exit. Now we shall go for adding a ball. Okay. So we have two options, basketball and tennis ball. So after going for basketball, enter the radius of ball 5. Okay. Now 5, the radius has been entered. We have chosen basketball. We have chosen basketball. Now, now, now we shall check if check bag is empty or not. What is it showing? Bag is not empty. Why? Because we have basketball. Bag is not empty because we have a basketball. Because we have a basketball, bag is not empty. Next, if you can check what game can be played. See, since we have chosen basketball, here the game which can be played also should be shown as a basketball. So what is the game which can be played? What we have chosen? Basketball. What game can be played with that? It is also a basketball only. It is also a basketball only. Okay. So after this, next, okay, we shall remove a ball. Okay, so ball is removed. Okay, ball is removed. Now next we shall go for adding one more ball. Shall go for adding tennis ball. Enter the radius 4. So now we shall go for show the game that can be played. So since you have chosen the tennis ball, here you are getting the tennis ball. The game which can be played is tennis ball. Okay. Now if you want to exit, if you give any wrong input, you will get an invalid choice. If you give 5, it will exit. Okay. In exit, we shall tell thank you. We shall tell a thank you here. Okay, we shall tell a thank you. Okay, that one thing we can do, and code is perfect. Code is working fine. So here in the add ball method, here there is no need to write an object like include any ball object. So since we didn't have okay, so ball of radius, okay, we have ball of radius, and yeah, so we don't need any constructor here for the ball. We don't need any constructor, but since your child classes need it, so we have created that. Okay, the code is perfect. The only thing is here we are just mentioning the choice and the radius. Okay, we are mentioning the choice as well as the excuse me, we are mentioning choice as well as the radius in the add ball method. Okay, so let me revise this again for you. Listen carefully, everyone. So we have created a first ball class we have created, wherein we have a private radius. We have a private radius. Now after this, we have created a constructor for the ball, and we have created a getter and setter for the um okay, getter and setter radius. Set the radius we have to give here. Okay, getter and setter. Now after this we shall go to the child classes of the ball, that is basketball and tennis ball. So inside the basketball we are extending that to class ball, parent class ball. Okay, now after that we are having a private attribute, that is game. Okay, the game is equal to basketball because we are playing the basketball here using basketball. So here for the class basketball we have the game basketball. Next, after this we have created a constructor, and we are calling a super call statement. We are creating a super call statement to call the parent class constructor, parent class constructor, to initialize parent object. Now after that we shall go for get game method because this is only readable. The game is only readable. Next, after this we have created same thing, but that's a tennis. It's a tennis ball. Everything is same, but it's a tennis ball. Okay, that's it. In the this file we have created a ball, okay, basketball and a tennis ball, 3 classes. Next we have created a bag. Okay, so bag is having a has a relationship with the ball. So ball is dependent on bag. See, bag is not dependent on ball. If ball is not there, bag can stay. But if a bag is not there, ball can't be stored. So ball is dependent on bag. Ball is dependent on bag. Okay. And here we are going for later lazy instantiation. Here we are just taking the choice and the radius. Okay. We can take an instance also. We can pass the radius there also. Here also we can pass. There is no issue, but it's not needed. Extra work not needed. So directly we have taken here. That is if there is no ball. If there is no ball inside a bag, we are giving 2 options. That is basketball you can choose, or the tennis ball you can choose. If a user is choosing one, means he is choosing a basketball. Okay, he is choosing a basketball. So when a basketball is chosen, okay, we are upcasting basketball to the bag. What we're doing? We're upcasting the basketball to the ball. Upcasting basketball to the ball if the basketball is chosen. in case if the tennis ball is chosen, we'll upcast the object of tennis into a ball. Okay, we'll upcast the tennis ball to a ball. So this is what's happening. And in case if the options are given wrong, in case if the options are given wrong, we shall tell invalid choice. Now, this all happened when there is no basketball, ball object, when there is no ball object. But if there is a ball object, if you're trying to add again, we shall tell ball is already present. We shall tell ball is already present. Okay, next. For remove ball method, it is this dot b not equal to null. We are checking if that there should be a ball. The condition what we are given is ball should be there. When ball is there, we are removing a ball. When ball is there, when the ball is there, we are removing the ball. After removing, we will tell ball is removed. Okay. Now, if there is no ball present, if there is excuse me if there is no ball present, okay, in case if there is no ball present, we will tell no ball is present to remove. No ball is present to remove. Okay, that's for the removal. Next, we have to check if the bag is empty or not. Is bag empty? For checking if the bag is empty or not, first we have to check if ball is there or not. Okay, if ball is not there, we shall tell bag is empty. Obviously, when there is nothing inside bag, we will tell bag is empty only. But in case there is something inside a bag, we will tell bag is not empty. Okay, same logic here also. If there is no ball, we shall tell bag is empty. If there is a ball, control comes to else and we will tell bag is not empty. Bag is not empty. Okay, next. Next, we shall go for showing a game. Whatever the ball has been chosen, depending on that, the game will be shown. Okay, so if there is no ball, if there is a ball, okay, so if there is a ball object if there is a ball object, we have to check if it is a type of basketball or it is of type tennis ball. If there is a ball, this condition refers to presence of ball. Okay, if there is a ball, we are checking if it is a child of basketball, it's a parent of basketball, or if it's a parent of tennis ball. That means if the basketball is of type the ball is of type basketball or it's of type tennis ball, that is decided by instance of operator. See, whomever object we have selected, no, that object, child object, will be upcasted to the parent. So whatever has been upcasted, so those objects will be returned true, because now they have a relationship, they have a easy relationship. But here, if one of the balls has not been chosen, okay, one of the balls has not been chosen, then obviously here you will not get this. Okay, see, if the basketball is chosen, this condition will become true and it will not go to else. If basketball is not chosen, that means if the p is an instance of basketball, condition is true, means it will downcache to basketball only. But if condition is not true, then obviously we are sure that it is the tennis ball only. Okay, that is why in if else we have given. Next, so after this, if there is a ball, then only all this happened. If there is no ball, we shall tell no ball is present inside the bag to show the game. No ball is present inside the bag to show the game. Okay, this is about your show game method. After that, we went to bag driver, importing your scanner class, then in method object for scanner. See, there should be a bag. Okay, there should be a bag object to store a ball. So here we are creating the bag object. We are creating a bag object here. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah. So here we want to show what all the instructions are there. No, we have to show them continuously. Okay, continuously till the user exit the application. Continuously we have to show. So in order to do that, here we have taken all the instructions inside a while loop. You have taken the instructions inside a while loop. So in the while loop, enter your choice. First option, add ball. Next, remove ball. Next, check if bag is empty or not. Next, show the game that can be played and the exit. Okay. So any one user can choose. After choosing, control goes to switch, and in the case one, control will go. In the case one, we are going for adding a ball. We are going for adding a ball. Here we have two options, basketball and tennis ball. Here we have two options, that is basketball or tennis ball. So we have taken the option, and here we have to ask enter the radius of the ball. Whichever we have chosen, no, that radius we have to ask after that, and we'll go for add ball method. So here we'll pass the choice and we'll pass the radius of that object. That's it for the part one. I mean for the option one. Next, for the case two, remove ball, is bag empty or not, show the game and exit under default. Okay, so this is how your this design works. This will not take much time. Today my brain is not working because okay, I'm not well little. So but for you guys, I've taught these things already. You guys already know. Yes, Sanket, thank you. Yeah, Preeti, thank you. So these things you already know. Instance of operator and all those things you already know. The switch case, insert switch case, and if else if, everything you guys know. So it will be so good if you guys have traced the code. Okay, at least now everybody understood the code. You guys got it, everyone? Everybody understood the code? Can you give tips to improve the trace the program? See guys, to trace the code quickly, you have to, I will send it. To trace the code quickly, first you have to see, like one second. Okay, so what is there in this code? What is there? See, there will be 5 classes. 2 child, these 2 parent, I mean this one parent and one more class, and this user interface. That is a user interface means you have to remember that it's a driver. You have to know user interface means it's a driver. Okay. Now you have to first create, you have to know which one you have to create first. See, you can't create bag directly because there is a ball inside the bag. You can create ball directly because these 2 child classes are dependent on this parent class ball. So you have to first create a ball, then you have to create basketball and tennis ball. After that, ball is having a as a relationship with the bag, and we shall do with the coding. After coding, here in the driver class, you have to see the menu. Okay, you have to see the menu, like create object, display menu, like whatever is shown. No, you can do it. Okay, so very similar to it. One more design I will give. Will you guys try? Similar, same only, but something else I will give you. Concept will be the same. Everyone, will you guys trace the code and send me in the Q talk? Okay, same kind of code. Okay, but it's little different. One class is not there here. Okay, I'll give you the same. I mean, one little different is there. Okay, so the code is it's about the adding the book inside a bag. Okay, it's about we are adding ball. No, here we'll add book. Okay, one second. Okay, so here we shall have a class book, and here we shall have a child class book details. Okay, and here also one more child class book details. Next, after this, we shall go for one more class. Okay, so here these 2 child classes have a relationship with this parent. Okay, so here there is a is a relationship going on. Okay, and here as a relationship going on. Here as a relationship is going on. Okay, now. So after this, we shall take class names. So class name, we shall take it as a class book. Inside the class book, you have a book name and a author. Then here, what will take book name? Will take Harry Potter. Harry Potter. And we shall go for a method, book details method. Okay, book details method. And here, what book we shall take? Wings of Fire. Wings of. One second. Wings of Fire. Okay. And here also we'll go for a book details. Okay. So now you have a class child, Wings of Fire and Harry Potter, and it's inheriting a book name and a author. You have to know that these two private members should I give? Okay, I will remove this. Okay, I'm removing this private. Okay, for that again you will break your heads. So yeah. Okay, I'm removing private. Okay, so you can have this book, Wings of Fire, Harry Potter. This is a normal inheritance. You know this. After that, in the class book, now we shall go into this class bag. Class bag. So bag will have a bag name and a bag color. Bag name. So B name we shall take. B name, B color, and we have few attributes for that. Attributes is done, so we shall have a functions now or the methods. Bag name, bag color. So next we shall go for add bag method. Add bag, remove bag. Okay, next check bag and book details. If bag is there only, you have to show book details. Okay, so here this is your code. Okay, very very simple code, more easier than what we have done. So here we have class book where two child classes are there. Fine. Now this class has a relationship. Book you have to mention inside bag. You need to have a bag name, bag color for the bag. Now add bag. If there is no bag, you have to create one bag object. If there is a bag, you have to tell already there is a bag, and after into the bag you can go for adding whatever books you want. Now you can create a bag object. If there is no bag, you can create one bag. Okay, if there is a bag, you can remove one, and you have to check what books are there inside the bag. Just now we have written one code. Okay, you can go according to that. And for book details, you have to see first bag should be there. For going for book details, you have to see first bag should be there. In the bag, book should be there. If the book is there, then only you have to show the details of the book. If book is there, then only you have to show the details of the book. If book is not there, you should not show the details of the book. Okay, so this is the design. Okay, let me take a snap of this. You guys don't take. I'm taking it and I'll send you in the IQ talk. Okay, so this is your homework design today. Very simple, very small design. Public, yeah, it's a public only. I have removed it. private means again you have to create getter, setter. It's a long story. So I've removed it. I've made it easy for you. First do this, okay? Every day we'll have one design. I'll give you a homework of that. Okay, so currently today you guys learn this. Okay, I mean execute this. First execute the code. No, it's not private, it's public. It's not private, it is public. Okay, so today you guys can trace the code, whatever the code we have done, no, that you guys can trace first, and then you go to this homework. See, whatever the code is done today, no, if you trace it and then you go for the homework code, it will be very easy. You will not even feel that you are doing one code. It will be that much easy. It will be like you are drinking some water. It will be that easy. But in case you are not trying the code which you have done and directly going into this program, you will actually face little difficulties. So first do the code which we have done, then you can go further. Okay. Okay, guys, it's already 8:43, and people whose mock I didn't take, I will take now. But let me know. Everybody is clear with the concept, this design ability. Everybody is clear. Any doubts anywhere? You can let me know if you have. Anywhere, any doubts? You can let me know if you have. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, people whose mock I didn't take in the last class, you can unmute yourself and I'll take your today's mock. And meanwhile, people who have not filled the feedback form, do fill it quickly. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give you 5 minutes time. Preeti and someone was about to give a the mock. Okay, I will give you guys 5 minutes prepare, and people who has to yes, already people have left. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So I'm gonna give you 5 minutes time. Do quickly fill the feedback form. Okay, feedback form is very necessary. Okay, I'll stop sharing the screen now. Okay, fill the feedback form and I'll get back to you. Be quick. Okay, I hope you guys have done with your feedback form. Everybody? Okay. So today is Preeti and one more was about to give a mock. Whose mock is pending? Out of 15, whose mock is pending still? You can unmute yourself. You can start with the oral mock. Guys, you can unmute yourself. If not today, I'm never gonna take your oral mock again because we have part 3 to start and we'll have no time left, no free time left. So yes, if you want to give a mock, you can give now, or else you can't give later. Today is the last day. You can give a part 2 oral mock. Preeti, you wanna give oral mock again? Okay. So tomorrow you told no, you will give. Okay, fine. So what about others? Out of 12, still so many people are there. Yes, what about you guys? What you will do? Yes, if you don't want feedback, I mean this mock rating, then obviously you don't have to attend. So yes. Yes, guys, anything else? Any other doubts you have, you can let me know. Because tomorrow we'll be starting with part 3. Today we were in this design only. Okay. Anywhere, any doubts, any concept doubts, anywhere, any. If you have, you can let me know now. And if you want to give oral mock, you have 10 minutes time. You can give. Preeti, Sanket, and Shivaranjani, you guys are given. Falguni, Deepika, Nikhil. Okay. Okay, guys, fine. You guys can leave the class for today. Yeah, you can leave you can leave the class for today, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's class exactly at 7 o'clock. Okay. Have a great evening, guys. Take care. Bye bye. Yes, Pooja and Sankeet. Thank you. Bye bye.